everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a reverse speed RAM transitions in CapCut Mobile. Alright, let's get started. First, open your CapCut and then import your videos and then import your music. Next, just go to the beat, this one. Then mark the beats in your music by just play the music and then tap at its beat that you want to mark. And alternatively, you can also use auto-generate to mark the beats automatically. And then just split your videos and match their durations with the beats like this. Then tap on each clip and then go to speed and then curve, choose customs and then adjust the speed like this. Like this. And don't forget to tap better quality slow motions. And then check mark. Like this. After that, just duplicate these clips. And then increase the speed of these duplicate clips until its durations match the next bit. Like this. And then just reverse it. Next, add keyframes at the start and end of the first clip. Zoom in on the last keyframes. Then on the second clips, also add keyframes at the start and end. And then on the first keyframes, matching the zooms level from the previous clips. Now add graph to the first clips. And then make a graph like this. And then add the graph at the second clips too. And then just repeat these steps for all clips in the sequence. Once that's done, let's add the effects. Go to effects and then search for shake. Adjust the durations and then position the effects and its transition between clip like this. And then tap objects and all videos. Then add keyframes in the middle of the effects. Increase the intensity like this and add keyframes at the start and end of the effects like this and adjust it to 0 and duplicate this effects and place it on all transitions. Now add another effects, search for oblique blur. Go to objects and all videos and add keyframes at the middle of effects again. And then increase the blur like this and add keyframes at the start and at the end. Set the blur to 0 and set the blur to 0 again like this and then just duplicate these effects and place it on every clips. Now let's play the videos. Okay, that's it. Once you're happy with it, just click export and your video is ready to share. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.